Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economical game from a long time and I know how to win them. So today I'm going to play a game on the site FocusBet, which is recently updated here. There are a lot of games in the site, more than 300 plus games are there. You already know my favorite games, Mines, Crash, Dice. I have played them many times, but today I'm going to start with a new game and let's see how big we can make in this game. So this is my amount with that I'm starting right now. So let's start. I'm playing slow, but later we will play big. So let's start. Let's see, I'm putting like a coefficient. Probability like it is going to be less. Great. Okay. Next probability, I'm thinking like it is going to be coefficient maybe higher. Let's try. Great, guys. Great. So guys, in this game you have to do a prediction like whether the card it is going to be less or it is going to be higher number. Okay, so let's see. In this round I'm going to say it is going to be less amount. Great. Let's put less again, guys. Great. New round started. Putting like prediction of less. We lose again. Fine. It will be a less amount. Same. Okay. Now it will be a lesser amount. Let's try. Guys, this is totally prediction game. I'm putting like 200 this time. Let's see. 6. I'm thinking like it's going to be a big number next time. Great. Maybe a smaller this time. Fine. Great. Let's try this one. Higher. From continuous rounds we are losing, but fine. Great. Maybe this time I'm confused. Maybe a lower number. Great. A higher this time. Let's try. Great. Let's take out 482 in this round. Okay. 4. Higher. Let's try. Fine. J maybe lower. Guys, fine. K lower, definitely lower. Okay, maybe higher. We are losing, guys. We are losing. Fine. Definitely low number. Definitely higher. No. This is tough game, guys. This is for the first time we are playing this game. But after playing around 10 to 15 rounds, we will get the idea how to play this game and we will make money and we will recover everything. Maybe higher. Maybe lower. Fine. Maybe lower again. No. 2. Let's pick higher probability. Great. 2000. Man, fine. Maybe lower probability. Great. Higher probability, definitely. Awesome. Maybe again higher. No, guys. We are in loss. We need to recover. And we need to make money. Fine. Maybe a higher probability. Guys, we are losing continuously. Lower. Fine. Higher. Great. Lower. higher. We are in big loss now, and we need to recover, and we need to make money also. So let's see whether we are going to make money today or not. I'm worried. I already lost a great amount of money today. Fine, higher in this round. Definitely below. Okay, higher. Let's pick one more higher. Great. At least we recovered something. Okay. Let's pick a higher. Definitely it is going to be higher. Great. Lower in this round. Okay, higher. No, not like this, not like this. We need to make money higher. Lower, definitely. Lower. Go for the best. Nah. Guys, this is totally luck based game. Definitely higher. Okay. Higher, let's try. Great. Lower. Okay, maybe higher this round. No. Guys, this is a tough game. But if your luck is great, you will definitely make money. Lower. 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 One more lower. No, not like this. Maybe higher. One more higher. Guys, we lose around 5,000 rupees, but we need to recover. Okay, maybe one more lower. Higher. Lower. Let's try one higher, one lower. One higher, one lower. Okay, we will try this time. Higher. Lower. Higher. No, this trick will not work. Maybe some another trick. In this one, first higher. Okay. Then it is going to definitely lower. Okay. One more lower. No. Not like this. Let's play. Let's put a bigger amount this time. I'm putting like 5,000 now. I need to recover my money. Okay. Let's try a lower number. Great. Let's try a higher one this time. Great. We recovered something. Okay. If you play with a higher amount and if you play around 2 to 3 chances, there are chances that you will make money. Okay, maybe lower in this round. Okay, maybe lower. Okay, let's try for big higher. No, we are going great. We got greedy. Fine. Let's try a bigger number. Okay. Lower maybe. No, not like this. Lower. Higher. Maybe lower. Higher. No, guys. We lose a great amount of money. Let's take this one. Okay. Lower. Higher. Again higher. Let's try. Okay. At least now we're in profit. Let's see. Maybe lower. Higher. Okay. Let's take 4,000 something. One more round. It is going to be lower. Okay. Definitely higher next round. Let's pick maybe this one. No, not like this. Higher. Guys, look at our amount. Awesome, guys. What can I say, guys? Mistake at this point. Look at the balance. That's all for today, guys. That's all for today. I'm really happy. So, guys, I hope you all get the idea how to play this game below. If you are playing wisely, just put a big amount, play 2 to 3 rounds, and I'm sure you will make money. That's all for today. Bye bye. And I'm really happy. I've made a big amount this time. Very big amount this time. That's all for today. See you guys next time.